how to add reviews to Squarespace website. So I've just opened up the dashboard here, and what we want to do is we want to click on edit, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a block here, and we want to select a quote. So for the quote here, I'll just drag it to the side and I'll double click on the quote itself, and I can change the text here. So I can say, for example, it's a very good video, you should like and subscribe. And now for the source, I will change the person's name here. So for example, I would do my own channel name, so net help, like this. It's a very good video, you should like and subscribe. Now we have the text section for the review itself. I'm going to click on save, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new block, and this time I'm going to add the image. So for the image itself, if I click on edit here, I can add an image, click on the plus sign, upload file. I'll go to my desktop here and I'll just upload my own image, and it should work here. I don't know why it didn't work just now. I'll click on open. Okay, here it is. So here we will just add the person's image, so the person who has written this review, and we can also drag this onto our we can drag this onto the image itself, and if we created the image, or if we added the image first, then we can drag this on top of it. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.